Hey everyone, it's Lexus. Welcome to Nom Fitness. In today's video, I have a fun sweet treat that everyone will love. I'm making Samoa energy bars. Now these are similar to the Girl Scout cookies. My favorite Girl Scout cookies, the, what do you call them? Caramel, the Samoa caramel cookies, something like that. The caramel delights. So these are like the caramel delights, but in an energy bar form, using dates, which is going to give it that caramelly taste, toasted coconuts, and chocolate chips. So let's get into the video.
So I'm starting out by adding 2 cups of soaked dates to a blender, along with 2 teaspoons of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Now I'm pulsing the dates in a high-speed blender, but you can also use a food processor. Now you just want to do this until it's broken up a bit. You don't want it to get too smooth. Now I'm adding 1 cup of walnuts, and I'm going to pulse that as well. And now I'm adding the mixture to the bowl. I'm going to add a ½ cup of dairy-free chocolate chips and a ½ cup of toasted shredded coconut. So to toast the coconut, I spread a ½ cup of unsweetened shredded coconuts onto a sheet pan, and I set the temperature to 325, and every 5 minutes I would just mix it around so that it doesn't burn. It took about 10 minutes. Now I'm putting the mixture onto some parchment paper, and I'm just going to form it into a square. I melted about a ½ cup of dairy-free chocolate chips in the microwave, and I added 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and now I'm just drizzling it on top of the date mixture. Once that's done, I added it to the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then I cut them into little bars. After you're done cutting them, you can store them in the fridge, and you are good to go. You have your delicious Samoa energy bars.
Okay, it's time for the taste test. Got me a little piece. It's very rich. This will definitely give you energy. It's perfect for like a pre-workout snack or post-workout snack. I'll feel full just eating this entire thing. It's rich and very tasty. The coconut and the chocolate go very well together. You can leave the nuts out if you don't like nuts. Need some almond milk after that. So it definitely had the Girl Scout Caramel Delight, feel going on. I would definitely make these again when I want something chocolatey, caramelly, coconutty, because these are perfect. And if you make these, feel free to tag me at Nom Fitness on Twitter or Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video.